Hi, welcome to the waffle shop. In the waffle shop, we have loads of things you can add to your waffles. We've got cream, chocolate, loads of toppings, and yeah, come order. So let's restock. So we have to restock. Let's put our strawberries. Beep. Boop. And the rest of them. Time for the bananas. Beep. Boop. Beep, boop, boop, beep. Time for the blueberries. Our first blueberry and our second blueberry. Same for our caramel. Beep. Now for our chocolate and caramel cubes. So let's add our cubes. And our chocolate. Like so. So now we finished all our toppings. Let's add the dough, the waffles, and the rest. Here's the cream, our dough, our waffles, and our chocolate cream. Now our waffle shop is done. Let's make an order. We've got an order from Hazelnut 4318 with 1 waffle, chocolate sauce, sugar cubes, blueberries, and a banana. Let's start. So they asked for a waffle. So let's open our waffle maker and let's bake a waffle. First we need some cream and let's squirt it in. There's our cream and let's let it bake. So see you then. Okay, so now our waffle is all baked. Let's open it and there's our waffle. So let's fold it up like so. And she asked for chocolate sauce. So let's put some chocolate sauce with our cocoa. So let's spread it on. There's our chocolate sauce. She also asked for sugar cubes. So let's add sugar cubes times 2. Some blueberries. And a banana. And there's our waffle. Hope you enjoy, Hazelnut. Let's put it in our cooling rack for now. And there's our waffle shop complete. I hope you enjoyed and see you soon. Bye!